Why does your scanner show the P0878 engine code? What does it mean? P0878 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch D circuit high. The P0878 engine code, or indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, or transmission control module, TCM, has detected a voltage signal from transmission fluid pressure sensor D. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, low or contaminated transmission fluid, faulty valve body or pressure control, solenoid, faulty PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, Audi, and Jaguar. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.